Welcome to the Country Castle and welcome to a day of Saturday cleaning with my family. My kids all have their chores that they need to get done today, and I just really feel like I need to get back in my regular rhythm. I feel like before my son left to boot camp, I've been kind of out of my element, out of my rhythm in regards to him leaving, but also summer starting and the kids all being home from school tends to shift our rhythm. And now that we have done all the things the past few weeks in visiting my son, getting him off to his fleet, and now just focusing back in on regular rhythms in the home is something I am craving so much. So right now we are just gonna get the house ready today. We also are gonna make a strawberry something. We bought strawberries the other day at Costco. They were on sale, so we definitely need to make a yummy strawberry dessert. So I'm still trying to decide what that will be, but I also wanted to share with you some of these cute rings that I found yesterday. Our neighbors across the street, they have a little farm and they had a market at their house where they had a bunch of booths and all of the cute little shops, and I picked up these two rings. Ever since I've had Sophia, I've always loved rings and necklaces and jewelry, but I haven't worn a lot because I've been in the thick of baby phase. But now that I'm through that phase, I'm loving adding some of those splashes to my outfits, and rings are always a favorite for me, but these are made out of silverware. So I have this one, which is made from spoons, and then this one as well. And you have seen this ring on me. This is a ring that we actually got at a vintage antique store jeweler who actually specializes in old antique jewelry and sourcing them. This is from the early 1900s, and it's actually tiger's eye with a woman carved in it, and it is a rose gold, and this is one of my favorite pieces. I wear it most days. It is one of my very favorites, and now I am excited to have a few more rings. I have quite a collection now, but these are definitely some favorites to add to my ring collection. I just think they are so fun, and you should dress and put on what makes you feel lovely and beautiful, even if you're going nowhere. But today I'm gonna be getting some laundry done, the house cleaned up. We are gonna make a yummy dessert. We're also gonna throw some chicken on the grill for dinner and make a really good potato salad. We are in the thick of summer. It's beautiful outside, but it's hot. So we are doing our best to do things indoors, stay occupied, get our rhythms, and eat food that we don't have to heat up the kitchen too much. So we love using our grill. So thank you so much for joining me today on my video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, most of the house is clean. I would never say that our house is perfectly clean. It is just better, it's more fresh. We have laundry going in the washer and the dryer, and we were able to get windows done. I have shared this before that every Saturday, my teenagers have one big chore that they're in charge of, and then everyone is in charge of deep cleaning their rooms. The one chore that they're in charge of consists of bathroom sinks, toilets, garbages, and the glass and mirrors in the house. And they actually do that chore for 6 months. So they know what is expected every single Saturday before they run off with their friends, because my teenagers are so busy and they always have something going on. But those things get done every single Saturday, and then additional chores that we need done are just assigned as we need them. So that is kind of how we tackle our family of 10 deep cleaning the house on a Saturday, and it is mostly clean. So I am going to get going on making a strawberry shortcake recipe. I think it is the perfect summer treat. The kids are outside playing on the bounce and slide with water and having the best time. It is so hot. We are just trying to survive this heat at the moment, but I think this treat will be the perfect thing for today. I also need to share this apron that we purchased yesterday. In addition to my spoon rings, we got this cutest apron that is made out of a shirt. I have one of these. This is a new one to me. So I'm gonna show you how cute it is, and I'm gonna use this today. This one is really fun because when you put it on, you look like you're wearing a sassy little dress. It is made out of a men's shirt. So you can see the collar, and then this is a friend of mine who made it. She lives across the street from me, and this is what she was selling at her booth yesterday. So Jack had me pick an apron out, and it is so cute because it does, with this ruffle, you just look like you're wearing a dress. So we are going to get baking the shortcakes. Okay, I have a lot of chatter going on in the house right now. We are winding down on this Saturday, and we are about to throw some barbecue chicken on the grill, and I made a simple potato salad. And I just wanted to thank you so much for joining me on my video today and for just subscribing and being on my channel. I love sharing our life with you in raising 8 kids, being a family of 10, and all the things that go along with it. And as always, I hope that you step away with a little bit more inspiration or maybe just learning something new. Kids are leaving the house. And just a reminder as well that you are doing great. And some days we're more productive than others. Other days we are keeping things super simple. And maybe there's days that we don't cook or bake at all, and that is okay. Today I kept it simple with my recipe of the strawberry shortcakes, and I haven't made strawberry shortcakes in so long, and I'd forgotten how easy it was. So just keeping things simple is keeping things intentional, and I hope that you take that away from today's video, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.